Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Small Talk Podcast, where learning English is simple, friendly, and fun. I am Emily, and I am very happy to be with you today.
Hi, Emily. Hi, everyone. I am Robert, and I am also very happy. I have my tea, I am relaxed, and I am ready to learn together.
That sounds perfect, Robert. Today, we have an interesting topic. It is something every student needs.
Oh, I am curious. Tell me, what is our topic today?
Today, we are talking about how to remember things better.
Wow, that is important. I forget things all the time. Sometimes I forget names. Sometimes I forget new English words.
You are not alone, Robert. Many people feel the same. They study, they read, they listen, but later they say, "Oh no, I forgot."
Yes, I study vocabulary in the morning, and in the evening my brain says, "Sorry, I do not remember."
Today, we will train your memory. We will give you simple steps, easy steps, fun steps.
I like easy and fun. I am ready. But wait, before we start, we have a small request.
Yes, if you enjoy our podcast, please click the like button.
And please subscribe to Small Talk Podcast. It helps us make more episodes for you.
And share this episode with a friend who wants to remember English words better.
Okay, now I am ready. Let us make our memory strong.
First question, Robert. When you learn a new word, what do you do?
I read it, I say it one time, then I go to the next word.
Ah, that is the problem. Your brain needs more help.
More help, like coffee?
Not coffee. Practice, real connection. Our first tip is simple. Repeat and use.
Repeat and use. Sounds easy. How?
When you learn a word, say it many times. Say it in a sentence. Make it part of your life.
Can you give me an example?
Of course. Let us say the new word is comfortable. Do not just read it. Say, this chair is comfortable. My bed is comfortable. I feel comfortable here.
Oh, I see. I use the word again and again in different sentences.
Yes, repetition is powerful. Your brain loves repetition.
So if I learn the word busy, I can say, I am busy today. My sister is busy. The city is busy.
Perfect. Now the word is alive. It is not just a word in a book.
That feels good. I'm already remembering.
Tip number 2 is connect pictures to words.
Pictures? Like in my head?
Yes, your brain remembers images very well. For example, the word mountain. Do not only say mountain, see a big mountain in your mind.
I see a tall mountain with snow on top.
Wonderful. Now say a sentence.
I want to climb the mountain.
Excellent. When you connect a word to a picture and a sentence, your memory becomes stronger.
So my brain likes pictures and stories, not only lists.
Exactly. Lists are boring. Stories are powerful.
What is tip number 3?
Tip number 3 is teach someone else.
Teach? But I'm a student.
That is perfect. When you teach, you remember more. You can teach a friend, your child, or even your cat.
My cat will learn English?
Maybe not, but you will. For example, say, today I learned the word improve. Improve means get better.
Improve means get better. I want to improve my English.
Very good. When you explain, your brain works harder, and hard work builds strong memory.
I like this. Repeat, picture, teach. 3 strong steps.
Yes, and we have one more important idea. Sleep.
Sleep. That is my favorite tip.
When you sleep well, your brain saves information. If you study and then sleep, your memory becomes stronger.
So no phone in bed, just sleep.
Yes, good sleep is part of learning.
Let us review. First, repeat and use new words in sentences.
Second, connect words to pictures in your mind.
Third, teach someone else what you learned.
And fourth, sleep well and give your brain rest.
Emily, this feels possible, not scary, not difficult.
That is the goal. Small actions every day. 10 minutes, 15 minutes, but every day.
And if I forget again?
That is normal. Forgetting is part of learning. Just review again. Be patient.
I will be kind to my brain.
Yes, say it with me. My brain is growing.
My brain is growing. I can remember more every day.
Beautiful. We believe in you.
Thank you for learning with us today.
If you enjoyed this episode, please like, subscribe, and share Small Talk Podcast.
And tell us in the comments what helps you remember better.
Do you write notes? Do you speak out loud? Do you draw pictures?
We want to read your ideas.
Keep learning. Keep smiling.
See you next time on Small Talk.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.